Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be exposing a hard truth that most traders do not want to admit. It's random. Yes, I said it. The futures market is random. And nobody, not even your favorite guru with the Lamborghini pic in the thumbnail, can predict what's happening next with 100% certainty. Stick around because in today's video, we're going to be breaking down why this is true using real examples, probability theory, and a touch of brutal honesty. If you are tired of false promises, this video is for you. The illusion of predictability. Here's the problem. Charts only look clear after the move has happened. Hindsight is 20/20, but trading is done in real time. And in real time, uncertainty is guaranteed. You are making decisions based off of incomplete information. As much as I say that trading isn't gambling, I can still admit to my core that every trade I place is a bet. I am not predicting the future. I am managing probabilities with math on my side. Let's talk about probability for a second. If I have a coin, I know that I have a 50% chance of it landing on heads and it has a 50% chance of landing on tails. Each flip is independent, and no matter what happened before, I still do not know what will happen next. The futures market is very similar. Every candle, order, tick is influenced by millions of participants based off of their own reactions. The result? Noise, randomness, chaos. Now sure, some patterns do repeat more than others, but just because you have a 99% chance of a trade playing out does not mean it will. That is where so many traders go wrong. Let me hit you with a reality check. Even professional traders with decades of experience, order flow data, and institutional data still lose trades. Why? Because nobody can predict the future. Not consistently and not perfectly. Markets respond to unexpected news. Trump speaking, large orders, emotional retail traders, plain randomness. Nobody knows what will happen next. If something happens most of the time, but it doesn't happen every time, because nothing can happen every time, that means that it is random and you cannot predict the future. Let's say you entered into a long based off of your strategy. Your strategy says that it will win 95% of the time. You still have a 5% chance of losing, and you, not me, nobody can predict whether their trade from the very beginning before they press buy, if it's going to work out. That means that it is random. You are going to lose trades no matter how good your setup looks. And you didn't take a bad trade. You played the probability. And in this time, the probability wasn't in your favor. Let's run some numbers with this quick thought experiment. Imagine a system with a 60% win rate and a 1-to-1 risk to reward. If you took 10 trades, how many trades would you expect to win? 6 out of 10. But here's the thing. In a random distribution, you might win 3 out of 10, or even lose 5 in a row. That doesn't make the system bad. That is just variance. They are natural ups and downs of a probabilistic game. And if you try to guess which out of those 10 will win before you take the trades, guess what? You can't. You have no idea which trade is going to be a winner. You play the odds out over time, not in a single trade. Why does this matter, you may ask? Because once you accept the fact that you cannot predict the outcome of a single trade, your whole mindset shifts. You stop trying to be right. You start focusing on consistency, managing risk, and letting your edge play out over time. You size your positions wisely. You use stop losses. You don't take setups that you feel good about, only the setups that are valid within your strategy. You stop judging your success based off of individual trades, and you start measuring it by the process and statistical outcome. One trade doesn't matter, but 100 trades, that's where your edge shows up. Let's wrap this up. The futures market is a probabilistic system. Every trade has an unknown outcome, and nobody can predict the outcome before it happens, not with 100% certainty. You're making educated bets within a random system, managing risk, and letting math do all the heavy lifting. If you embrace this truth, you free yourself from the need of being right, and you step into the mindset of being a real trader. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If this video helped change your perspective, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe. Free Discord link in the bio, and also free live trading Monday through Friday, 9:15 a.m. Eastern. I will see you all there.